Honk, 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 honk. Keep looking on my left. I think they're gonna fly soon. Don't want to miss them. So nice. Look, they're all coming, going towards the sun. Watch it carefully. How nice it is. Yes, they're all on my left side. Now they come. Keep moving my camera because I keep looking for them on my left. Not yet. Thing. How nice. Much is about 50 meters from them, maybe 30. And hopefully it will come a nice video. Here's some more coming with from the left side to the right and passing the reflection of the sun. Can't have better time than that. Look how nice. Let's look. Wow, this is what we call suntan. Sunset. Suntan you get in the Mediterranean. Lovely, huh? And here we see some more of them coming. Oh, that will be nice. Oh, lovely. Yeah, you can hear them. Bingo. Hope you like it, because I love it. Ronne with his fantasia over the Canadian geese.